Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing my full review on the new Glow Recipe Strawberry Smooth Serum. I was so excited when this launched. I can't even tell you, Glow Recipe is one of my favorite brands ever. I'm actually also a Glow Gang brand ambassador for them. That does not influence my opinions or reviews of their products. I was able to try this product out a couple of weeks before it launched and was super excited with the results I have obtained. And I couldn't wait to do a deep dive or review on this. If you guys are interested in seeing my results and full review of the new Glow Recipe Strawberry Smooth Serum, then just keep on watching. Also, just wanted to put out a quick disclaimer in this video. While I am an ambassador for Glow Recipe and did receive this product in PR, all thoughts and opinions are my own, and I always want to bring you thorough and honest feedback on any product. And I'm just so grateful that I get to try this product first before it launches. That way I can get up a review for you guys so you can know what products are actually worth your money and which you can skip on. I've loved Glow Recipe for a very long time. Skincare products have really helped with my acne prone skin these last couple of years and really has helped to clear my acne. One of my favorite products is their Watermelon BHA and PHA Pore Tight Toner. I love it. It's so gentle on the skin. And what I really love about that product and just Glow Recipe as a whole, I really like how they incorporate not only actives, but really hydrating ingredients. So it's like very gentle on the skin, but still very effective, which I was nervous. I feel like these past couple of years, I've really been on a journey. I was a really hardcore, high percentage chemical exfoliants, high percentage actives type of gal. Like I want everything in the 10%. And if it's a mask, 10% to 30%, leave it on for 10 minutes. That's what I want. That's what I want in my serums. That's what I wanted in a cleanser, like a 5 to 10% cleanser. So it has been a new journey for me to not only explore a lesser percentage of actives to help clear my skin, but also different types of chemical exfoliants. So for example, with AHAs, glycolic acid, it's my girl. It's been my girl for a long time since I was in high school, but I've since moved to a little bit more gentle exfoliants such as lactic acid, as well as my new favorite, I feel like in these past 6 months to a year, has been mandelic acid. My first love being actually the Selfless by Hyram mandelic acid. More gentle AHA, has a bigger molecule size compared to like glycolic and lactic acid, so this is like the biggest one, but I don't believe it's as big as a PHA. Very gentle on the skin, which is nice. This new strawberry serum is their highest concentration of actives in any Glow Recipe product that they've ever released. So when I found that out, I was super excited to try it. And also we all know that your girl loves products that incorporate BHAs and AHAs in one formula. Also, quick story time, when I did get this product a little bit early, I'm dumb. I don't know why I read, it like said on the bottle how to apply and everything. I'll show you like my little sample bottle, little sample packaging that I got. And I got to try it. I don't know what in my mind misread. I thought it was a cleanser. So when I first applied it, I applied it like a cleanser, and it was really weird because I was like, oh, it's not like foaming or anything. Maybe I'm using, this is an odd cleanser. And it wasn't working the way it was supposed to. And I was like, that's strange. It's because it's a serum. And the next day I learned my lesson. I was like, Brie, you is dumb. What are you doing? Once I figured out it was a serum and used it properly, I really started to enjoy it. So I'm just gonna give you a breakdown of some of the actives in here. Serum right here in all its glory. It actually features 2% of encapsulated salicylic acid. And what's great about the encapsulation, it's very similar to how they had their encapsulated retinol products, the face mask and the eye cream. Love the eye cream. But basically the encapsulation makes it more gentle on the skin. It also releases over time throughout the day so that it is effective, but it doesn't hit the skin so harshly as it would with other traditional serums that don't encapsulate the salicylic acid. Really great for sensitive skin. And I also had drier skin coming into this, like it was flaky. So as I was breaking out, so I was a little nervous to incorporate this serum, but it was definitely very gentle on the skin. There's also a mandelic acid blend. So 1% of mandelic acid is in here. And then there's a blend of soothing ingredients such as hyaluronic acid. There's also azelaic acid, and I believe, which is great for acne prone skin, but the azelaic acid in here is more to kind of soothe the redness and inflammation and help to calm the skin. So that's kind of the purpose in this formula specifically. But again, great, especially when you have acne inflamed acne and irritation, just something to really soothe the skin, which I appreciate, especially when trying a new chemical exfoliating product. There's also salicylic acid in this formula, which I was actually so surprised to see, and I believe that is a 0.3%. And salicylic acid, I've really come to enjoy it, especially in my little like Inky List product. I thought it was really good in the Inky List salicylic acid spot treatment. So I was really surprised to see it in here, and I feel like a lot more brands are kind of starting to use salicylic acid, especially for acne and acne prone skin. So I was excited to see that that's included in the formula. And salicylic acid basically works pretty similarly to salicylic acid, but it's more hydrating and soothing compared to salicylic acid. I was super excited to be able to join with the Glow Recipe team to kind of learn more information about this product so I can bring it back to you. And one of the things also that I learned in that kind of webinar was that they chose strawberry because strawberry as the fruit actually has a lot of natural BHA properties, and it also is a soothing ingredient to help soothe and heal the skin. But one of the things that they're kind of all about, which I appreciate from the brand, is that they're not picking fruit just because it's cute, like, oh, let's do this cute packaging, and it is. But they really try to, whatever actives and ingredients that they are putting in it, they really kind of want the fruit to work synergistically with those ingredients to really make them effective and efficacious, which I really appreciate. And there is 3.5% of strawberry extract in here, if I didn't mention that already. I started applying this serum at first once a week when I had the little sample size of it, because I had gone, as you guys have seen in my previous like foundation videos, like my Makeup Forever video, I've had really severely dry skin, more than I've had in a long time. Like I was flaky, my foundation just didn't look good, and I did have travel breakouts as I was traveling. I went to Florida and I went to Utah, so I always usually get travel breakouts. So it was kind of the perfect time for me to try this serum and see how it can help my acne and newfound texture that I was getting due to travel. Started applying it very gently. I think I did 2 times a week and kind of kept with that regimen. Usually if I have an AHA or BHA product, I like to do a little bit more, like 2 to 3 times a week. Do retinol on other nights, and like sometimes I just want some hydrating ingredients, but definitely 3 times a week would be usually kind of my max. Glow Recipe did say that this is gentle enough that you could use it every day, which I thought was interesting. It really helped to clear my skin and clear my texture and hyperpigmentation, and I'll go ahead and I'll show you in these clips next, and you'll kind of see my skin journey. I do start off with those travel breakouts, and then as you can see, like over time, it really helped improve the texture and helped clear my acne.
And so I am continuing to use the strawberry serum. So this actually helped with that. I think it's also a little bit of a combo of my retinol as well, but I've been using this serum all week, especially because I've had some travel breakouts. As you can see, this one's kind of new, like in the past like couple days. Down here, this has been stubborn for a while, like under the skin. It's just starting to peek its little head out. This is running, and this, so I used it in combination and also the watermelon toner.
So I've been testing out, as you guys know, the little sample for a while, and I've been using it pretty frequently, like all last week, like I think 2 nights out of the week, and then I used it last night, and y'all saw my skin situation here. So we can see this is clearing up quite a bit. These are 2. And this is like the only new thing I've added in my routine. Like it pairs great with the watermelon toner, and I feel like I'm starting to get back to a place where my skin is starting to clear up again, which is super exciting, especially with all my travel breakouts as well as my hormonal breakouts. I'm super excited that I'm starting to clear up again and looking smooth, and it's also a lot more hydrating than I thought. Been a little bit on the drier side too, but I still need my exfoliation power and to get rid of these little monsters that are trying to inhabit my face at this moment. But so far so good. It's working, and it's been, I want to say consistently like a week and a half to 2 weeks, so not bad.
Serum was also way more hydrating than I was expecting. I think I said it in one of the clips when I first put it on. So much more hydrating than I was expecting, and I didn't really feel, personally, I didn't feel like that tingle on the skin that I get from other AHA and BHA treatments that are a little bit more high percentage, or even 5% sometimes. I don't get that at all, but that's just me personally. Depends how sensitive your skin is, but I personally didn't experience any stinging, any tingling. It was just a very pleasant overall experience and super hydrating. Way more hydrating than I thought, which was great. Overall, I really have enjoyed this serum. This is such a winner. It's gonna definitely stay in my routine. I am so excited to keep using it. And it's just another product that has reinforced my newfound love for mandelic acid. It's like me and mandelic, I'm a girl now. So I'm really excited that this has that in the formula. I just really enjoyed it. I don't think you'll be disappointed with this serum at all. If I had to recommend anything, especially for acne prone skin and kind of texture, the watermelon toner is my ride or die from them. I really love it. But if you had to choose between those two, I'd get the strawberry serum personally. But that's just me, because depending on how sensitive your skin is, this is gonna work for sensitive skin. Personally, again, I'm still not completely going away from loving a little bit higher percentage of actives, and this is like a 10% AHA BHA blend, so immediately I gravitated towards this gal right here. That's just me. Kind of depends how you like to get your actives, how gentle and all of that, but my personal opinion, go with the strawberry serum. Especially now, currently the Sephora sale is going on. I think it just started, yeah, it's April 4th, so it started on the 1st, so if you have your eye on this, now's the time to get it. Definitely get it at that discounted rate. Have you guys been eyeing the new strawberry serum from Glow Recipe? Did you add it to your Sephora cart? I would love to know. Also, let me know any of your other recommendations of serums for acne prone skin or any of your mandelic acid favorites. Like I have my eye on the new Youth to the People toner, will be new to me, the 3% mandelic acid. I did just recently at the Sephora sale also get their 15% vitamin C, so I can't wait to review this. If you're interested in seeing a Sephora haul, I did put that over here. I will link it to my Instagram reel down below, as well as my TikTok. And if you're interested in seeing more skincare content and reviews, you can go ahead and click one of these nice videos here. Or if you're more interested in some more beauty reviews and lifestyle vlogs, you can go ahead and click here, and I'll see you in the next video.